Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer identity checks from Onfido into Bubble, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer identity checks from Onfido into Bubble, begin by logging into your Onfido account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your identity checks. Locate the specific identity check you wish to transfer. Select the check to view its detailed report. Look for an option to export or download the check data. Choose the format that best suits your needs, typically CSV or JSON. Download the file to your device. Next, log in to your Bubble account. Access the app where you want to import the Onfido data. Open the Data tab within your Bubble app. Create a new data type if one does not already exist for identity checks. Add fields to the data type that match the data you exported from Onfido. Return to the Workflow tab in Bubble to set up the data import process. Start by creating a new workflow that triggers upon a specific event, such as a button click. Add an action to upload the file you downloaded from Onfido. Use a plugin or built-in functionality to parse the data from your file. Map the fields from the Onfido export to the corresponding fields in your Bubble database. Test the workflow to ensure data imports correctly without errors. After verification, publish the changes to make them live in your application. Finally, monitor the data in your Bubble app to confirm all identity checks are transferred successfully. Your integration of Onfido identification checks into Bubble is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.